How to create an add-on domain in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to create an add-on domain. Click the Addon Domains icon. This is the Addon Domains page, where you can set up additional domain names that point to subdomains of your account. Enter the new domain name, then enter a username. Enter and confirm a password, then click Add Domain. That's it! The add-on domain has been created. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to create add-on domains in cPanel.